Hi, my name is Aishan. Today I would like to represent my team to present you our project kickoff meeting. My teammates are Ahmed, Chandana, and Ariel. As you can see, our project is to open a Gongcha franchise store. During this meeting, I will cover 9 parts. First, I would like to introduce you to our project, our team formation, our plan and timeline, and how we are going to communicate within the management group. Next, I would like to cover some details about the project, discussing the risks and resources. Following on that, I'm going to address human resource related topics such as the problem-solving mechanism, our motivation, and team building. Finally, we will discuss the next steps of the project. I would like to spend a slightly more time on this page, introducing the brand to you that we have chosen and discuss the aspects we researched while selecting the brand for our project. We will explain why we choose this brand and how we can benefit from it instead of starting our own bubble tea store. So Gongcha, a brand originating from a Chinese phrase symbolizing the offering of the best tea to the empire, was founded in Taiwan in 2006. Their primary focus is on providing high-quality tea drinks made from fresh tea leaves and offering customized service to cater to individual tea preference. As you can see on each of the slides, there will be a picture of a tea drink crafted by Gongcha, showcasing the brand's diverse product line that includes milk tea, bubble tea, fruit tea, and more. Gongcha offers customers the ability to customize their drinks by adjusting the sugar amount, ice volume, and option of ingredients, catering to a wide range of preference. The brand has experienced a rapid global expansion with over 2,000 stores opened in countries such as the United States, Canada, mainland China, and others. Gongcha's strong reputation and dedication to franchise support have been instrumental in its success and market influence. Franchisees will benefit from access to the brand's customer base and comprehensive support service for product development, store design, marketing, and customer service. This means our risks are expected to be reduced by franchising Gongcha, potentially improving our chance of success. Moving on, so our goal for this project is to open a Gongcha franchise bubble tea store in the rural area of Boston, targeting locations that cater to young professionals living or working near Waltham, Newton, and Watertown. Our aim is to leverage Gongcha's strong brand influence among young people in the area. With a budget of $1 million, we will cover franchise fee, training for bubble tea barista, rent, renovation, and raw product expense to ensure a top-notch experience for our customers. Finally, our grand opening is scheduled 6 months from the project initiation, providing us with enough of time to prepare for a successful launch. Detailed milestone will be covered later in the presentation. So next, it will be an honor for me to introduce you to my teammates. As shown in the presentation today, we have Ahmed, our finance manager, Chandana, our resource manager, Xiaohao Li, who is the project manager, and Aishan, which is me, the franchise manager. Ariel, our marketing manager. Daniel Park is our supplier, and Yu Huang, the project coordinator. So we have identified 5 major stages for this project. For the first and second month, we are targeting to work on getting necessary permissions and having the major documents signed. After receiving the green light from the big names indicated in the contract and agreement, we will set up the store during the second and the third month. Moving on, in the next month, we will kick off the hiring procedure and begin training the new bubble tea baristas. During the fourth and fifth month, we aim to spread the news of the grand opening of our bubble tea store. Finally, in the sixth month, we will have our grand opening. At the end, we will also conduct an operational evaluation, reviewing the entire project. Our team communication will take on 3 major forms. Routine communications will be conducted through daily briefings, immediate messaging via Slack, and emails for reports and any other communications that requires documentation. Operational meetings will be held weekly with the core team members, while strategic review meetings will take place every month with stakeholders via Zoom. This is to ensure the project is heading in the right direction. And dedicated person from each team is required to maintain the well-organized project documents and wikis. Our team has identified 6 types of risks: the competition risk, operational risk, risk of staff turnover, risk of geopolitics, risk of supply chain, and regulatory risk. We won't be able to cover the mitigation plan for every risk that we have identified, but we can focus on one today, which is, I believe, is the most important one, the risk from the competitors. So we consider the competitor to be the biggest risk. We are not only facing sales challenges from Starbucks, Dunkin' Donuts, and other major beverage brands, but also from other bubble tea stores such as Chatime, Haiti, and Kung Fu Tea. To mitigate this risk, we need to provide unique and high-quality products. We should also consider reducing the price of the products that are also offered in other brands. Additionally, when selecting the location of the store, we must ensure that we have chosen the place that are not saturated with competitors, while still attracting a high volume of visitors. Just covered this page. Moving on, we are going to spend time talking about how we are going to spend the $1 million budget. The resource allocation of this project mainly includes budget management, equipment, and supplies, such as tea beverage making equipment, and support systems, such as offline ordering systems and online takeover systems. I'd like to focus on detailed budget allocation here. As part of the franchise project, our largest expenditure will be the franchise fee, which accounts for 25% of the total budget, or you can say $250,000, to gain support from the headquarters. Another significant expense is the renovation cost, considering the need to cater to aesthetics and demands of young professionals. Renovation will be a key highlight of this project. Well, with an allocation of $200,000. Those are the two major allocations that we have identified here. And for the other expenses, you can see from the list. In addition, necessary support is indispensable given the constantly changing demands and trends in the bubble tea industry. Market research and marketing/branding support are essential. At the same time, temporary or casual labor becomes particularly crucial for the bubble tea shop during special festival or events. Like every project in the world, we will eventually encounter problems at some point. It is crucial to have a mechanism for solving problems to ensure success in the project. We have asked our team members to first identify the problem, then perform a SWOT analysis, SWOT. This involves evaluating the strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats that are related to the problem to devise a strategic solution. Finally, the resolved issues will also be well organized on the team wiki page for regular review to prevent the recurrence of similar incidents. This is an enjoyable part of the project. So every month, we will identify the star team and individuals because of their significant contribution to the project. Additionally, each quarter, we will hold team building events like bubble tea self-making competition and new member introduction to foster a team that appreciates the culture of Gong Cha and encourages transparency among team members. So this is the last step, our last slide of our presentation. So the next step, we will focus on distribute responsibilities and specific tasks to those who are not present in this meeting. As outlined in the timeline page, we aim to complete the paperwork during the first and second months. Therefore, it is advisable to begin with the contract, agreements, and permits, while simultaneously initiating the process of selecting a location for the stores. Regular updates, reports, and meetings should be also scheduled as the project officially commences after the kickoff meeting. Since the project has just started, uncertainties are typically significant at this stage. Therefore, we are open to suggestions and prepared to make adjustments based on feedback. So that's all I have for today. And thanks for listening to this presentation. Bye.